So I'll start on the neck first. I'll do the Radiesse first, and then I'll do the Moxi on the neck, and then I'll start on the face. So my lovely patient here, she is visiting me from out of town. So we're going to make the most of her treatments, which is doing a few things today. We're going to do a little Radiesse, hyperdilute Radiesse in the neck to really help kind of firm up that skin tissue. We'll also do a little Sculptra in the face and then a Moxi laser on top. That way she'll get a little collagen boost, a little deeper in the skin and tissue, and then as well as the Moxi laser doing a little cleanup job of some sun damage that's been accumulated over the years. And then she'll be on her way home later today. Save the rest of that for after the Sculptra. Just doing a little bit of the Radiesse massage after it's being placed to help it disperse. And just up and back. You know, we like the skin to be up and back, and that just kind of helps in that direction. Do you recommend just doing one side of the neck at a time so you don't feel like you're choking yourself? So you'll just feel for any little lumps and bumps, which it feels really smooth to me right now, but if you feel any little areas, you'll just massage it out. Okay.
Is that part of the 5-5-5?
Yeah, but in the neck, you don't need to massage as much. We usually have a 3-3-3 rule, 3 minutes, 3 times a day for 3 days. So if you can do about half of that for the neck, what you're going to do for the 5-5-5 for the face, that would be great. Our step 1 was to do Radiesse in the neck. I just thoroughly massage that into the neck. And step 2 is to treat Moxi, which is going to help clean up some of the superficial pigment. She's from California, but she has lived in Vegas for many, many years and just accumulated just those little bits of sun damage, and this will help bring that to the surface. So this is the Sculptra massage. We massage the product around. It's very much so like spreading fertilizer seeds is what I tell people. Sculptra is suspended in bacterial static water, and we just want to help make sure everything is worked into the skin very well. No lumps, bumps with all the water that's in there, and it is just spread evenly in all the areas of treatment. We did our first part of Sculptra and Radiesse mix. Sculptra for the face, Radiesse for the neck, and then we're going to laser over each area after the product has been deeply massaged in. This will help build collagen at a deeper level, give her a little glow, help with some of those little fine lines or those little accordion lines that kind of come and accumulate on the lateral cheek. And then we'll do a summer cleanup of some of the sun damage that she's accumulated in Vegas, and she'll get a nice polish from the outside and collagen from the inside, and it'll be a really beautiful glowy recipe just